Hello traders, welcome in today's video. In this video, I will be sharing with you a trend following indicator that gives buy and sell entering signals. This indicator is based on machine learning algorithm that analyze the price movement and gives it out on a simple form. I'm also going to share with you a very profitable strategy using this indicator. However, try and stay to the very end of the video to understand every steps you need to obey using this strategy and indicator. And also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any further delays, let's go right into the video. The indicator we will be discussing is called the Wyckoff Check Moving Average. This indicator is used to measure the Wyckoff of the price. But before we talk more about this indicator, let's add it to the chart for more understanding of it. Then we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Wyckoff Check. Select Wyckoff Check Moving Average created by this guy called Fontaramasu. As you can see, the indicator is a new indicator. Now looking at the chart, you will see that the indicator has appeared on the chart. And how this indicator works is that it shows a Wyckoff check pattern applied to a moving average. This pattern appears when a candle opens below the moving average and closes above it, or when it opens above a moving average and closes below it. This causes a wick to go through the moving average. The indicator can be used to detect small pullbacks in a trend and is mainly used for trading continuation strategies. It can also be used to validate resistance or support levels. Looking at the indicator, you will notice that it has like 3 features. To understand more about these features, then we go over to the indicator setting. There on the input setting, we are going to see the source, which you can choose any setup you like. For instance, if you set it to the open, the indicator will provide much wick-off signals, but on this strategy, we are going to leave it at default. Another one is the method multi-M-day, which you can change to any moving average of your choice, but we will select the exponential moving average. Next is the moving average source, which we are going to leave at default. Also is the length multi-moving average, which you can set to your preferred moving average length, but on this strategy, we are going to set it to 100. Another major feature of this indicator is the length bar trend validation. This defines the number of the bar needed to validate a trend. When price is above the MLA, trend is up, and when price is under MLA, trend is down. Then you can go over to the style setting, and you can customize it by changing the color of the moving average to your preferred color, and then press OK. How we are going to use this indicator is that the Wyckoff label will stand for buy and sell signals. With this, looking at the indicator, you will see that it provides many false signals. So how we're going to use it is that first we need to identify the trend. And another to identify trend using this indicator is that when the moving average is below the price, this indicates an uptrend, and when the moving average is above the price, this indicates a downtrend. And if the moving average is flat and price is moving zigzag around it, this indicates that price is ranging. So how we are going to avoid some of this false signal is that when the price wick above or below the moving average, and it gives us a W label which we will use as buy or sell label, we are not going to enter a trade immediately. Instead, we are going to wait to see price bounce off the moving averages once or maximum of 2 times before we can enter a trade. And on this label, the green will stand for buy and red will stand for sell. Understanding how we are going to use this indicator on this strategy, let's see example on how we can enter a trade using it. Here we are open on price of BTC USD. On 15 minutes time frame, we see that the moving average is above the price, which indicates that price is on a long-term downtrend. Then we check to see if price has wick above the moving average, and if it has, giving us a red label which means sell. Then we wait to see price bouncing off the moving average. And looking here, you will see that price has bounced off the moving average and has given us a very good reversal pattern. This is when we can enter a trade setting our stop loss some pips above the high and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. And as you can see, the trade played out nicely. Understanding how this indicator works, let's add another indicator that will help us add more confluence. Then we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Money Flow Index Alert. Select the Money Flow Index Alert created by Dreams Defined. The Money Flow Index is an indicator that shows the dynamics of changes in the volume of active money in the market. Before we discuss more about this indicator, let's set it for more clarification. Then we go over to the indicator setting. On the style setting, change the plot color to white and uncheck the overbought and oversold cross, and increase the line of the overbought and oversold, and also increase the color of the uptrend and also the downtrend. And then press OK. As you can see, the indicator look more clear. Looking at these indicator, you will see that it has many components, which the green zone indicates an uptrend. The red zone indicates a downtrend. The line above the green zone indicates the overbought, and the line below the red zone indicate oversold, and the plot which serves as the trend. How this indicator worked is that when the plot goes to the green zone, it indicates that price is on uptrend. And if it goes above the line on top of the green zone, this indicates overbought. This is opposite to the red zone. If the plot goes to the red zone, this indicates a downtrend. And if price goes below the line under the red zone, it indicates oversold. So how we are going to use this indicator is that we buy when the plot is on the green zone and we sell when the plot is on red zone. Understanding everything about how we are going to use this indicator, let's see how we can actually enter a trade combining these two indicators. Here we are open on price of BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. We see that the indicator is below the price, indicating that price is on uptrend. We check to see if price has wick below the moving average to create a green label, which we will be using as buy signal. And on seeing that the indicator has given us a buy label, then we wait to see price coming back to retest the moving average. And on seeing that price has retested the moving average and has given us a reversal pattern, then we check the second indicator to see where the plot is. And on seeing that the plot is on the green zone, indicating that price is on uptrend, then we can take a trade setting your stop loss below the low and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. As you see, the trade played out nicely. Let's see how we can enter a sell trade combining these two indicators. Here we are open on the same price of BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. We see that the indicator moving average is above the price, indicating that price is on downtrend. We check to see if price has wick above the moving average to create a red label, which we will be using as sell signal. And on seeing that the indicator has given us a sell label, then we wait to see price coming back to retest the moving average. And on seeing that price has retested the moving average and has given us a reversal pattern, then we check the second indicator to see where the plot is. And on seeing that the plot is on the red zone, indicating that price is on downtrend, then we can take a trade setting your stop loss above the high and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. As you see, the trade played out nicely. As we have come to the end of this video, I would like to tell you that no indicator is a holy grail. You need to back test and practice over and over again to master the strategy. Also, if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.